Iran confirmed on Thursday it has a warship and a support vessel sailing in the Atlantic Ocean. According to US media reports, the destroyer Sahand and the intelligence-gathering vessel Makran the vessels were heading to Venezuela, but this information is not yet confirmed. The ships departed in May from Iran's port of Bandar Abbas, said the Iranian Deputy Army Chief, Admiral Sayari. He described their mission as the Iranian Navy's longest and most challenging voyage yet, without providing more specific information. Iranian state-run broadcaster released a short clip of the destroyer sailing in the Atlantic Ocean. The video was possibly shot from the Makran, a converted oil tanker with a mobile launch platform for helicopters. The Navy is improving its seafaring capacity and proving its long-term durability in unfavorable seas and the Atlantic's unfavorable weather conditions, Sayari said, adding that the warships would not make a stop at any country's port during the mission. Please like and subscribe to GEOPOLITIKI TV.